again, everyone. It's Colleen. Today we're going to do a silver-laced black primrose. I know, I really picked the oddest flowers. It's going to be a combination of the maroon and black for the petal, along with a kind of white. What I did was I added silver glitter to the white just to give it a little shimmer. And then, of course, the yellow is going to be the center of the flower. In doing the flower and trying to go back and look at the pictures, what I did was take the yellow and then I'm going to roll it out a little bit. And then you can see that I'm rolling it there and I thinned it out. And I'm going to put a piece of that maroon in the center because when I looked at the center of the flower, I don't know, that's what it looked like to me. And then I'm going to roll that in the green, and then that becomes that'll become the dead center of the flower. The next thing I'm going to do is take the black and go ahead and mix it with the maroon to make a Skinner blend, because literally the pictures look almost like a dark, almost a reddish black. So I kind of reshaped the maroon a little bit to blend it in like that. And I just want to give it a little bit of not solid black. So that's what it looks like when I reduced it. And then as usual, I'm going to do an accordion fold on it like I do on almost every flower that I make. I'd say it seems like I should do something different, but honestly, it seems to work the best for me. So once it's all reduced, then I'm going to push it out into kind of a block so that I can work better with it. And then I'm going to stretch it out because I've got to make it a whole lot smaller. If you look at those petals, they're actually pretty small petals. So I'm just going to continue to reduce it here till I get the size I wanted. However, in reducing it, I realized, oh, hey, I'm definitely not going to have enough. So I had to take another piece and do the exact same thing that I did before. I'm trying here to straighten it up before I did my accordion. I just forwarded it because it's the exact same way. Now I'm taking the kind of yellow, it was a basic yellow that I mixed with a little bit of white to make it a slightly lighter yellow. And I'm trying to make the edges of the petals. I don't know how well you can see on the video, but each of the ends of those petals kind of have this yellow on it. And so I'm trying to imitate that look. And I didn't think it was quite long enough, so I'm sort of just extending the yellow a little bit to give it sort of a triangular shape in the middle. And then once I feel that those are in shape the way that I feel that they need to be, I'm going to go ahead and take that white, and you can see there I'm putting the silver glitter on it because it's supposed to be silver backed, so I want to give it a little bit of a silver look. Now I'm just measuring because I absolutely love this cutting board that has all the measurements preset on it. So I'm cutting them all out and I want to make it the silver back. By the way, if you look at it, it's only the dark portion petal that's actually got the silver lining on it. The yellow, however, does not. So what I'm doing here is just putting the silver around the black area only. And I'm trimming them out. Now, if you look at the picture, there's of silver, the silverback petals to like that, and then it's actually considered one piece of yellow. And in that one piece of yellow, then and the yellow section, which is a combination of the two petals, will then be outlined with the darker gold that I have here, that I have a thin layer of. And then I just start building the 2x2s. So they're just two, and then I'm going to put the center in because that's what I'm going to be going around in order to try to keep the petals from all flattening out too much. Then I'm trying to put a little piece of the blue, which is going to be the background color that I've been using. And I'm going to put that in between the petals just to keep the definition of the petals going the way I want it. I sort of forwarded through this section just because it's the exact same thing continued over and over again. And then I realized I didn't have enough room to fit the last petals, so I had to sort of stretch it out a little bit. But hey, improvise, adapt, overcome, right? And so now I'm going to finish doing the little blue triangles in each of those sections to keep the petals having definition. So what I noticed here is the flower is really not all that pretty. I mean, I hate to say that, but that's just the truth. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, which I really hope you are, despite the fact that the way it came out, please follow me and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. But here I'm just going to finish up by adding the blue final, and then I'm going to reduce it. If you look at the picture, though, I mean, honestly, so it's not the prettiest flower in the world. But truthfully, if you look at the picture, also the picture is not the prettiest flower in the world. So I guess I feel like I accomplished what I set out because it looks like the picture, but at the same time, it's not the most gorgeous thing. That being said, I feel like if I put it in some sort of a compilation, then, in the end, it'll be okay. Anyway, I really appreciate you guys watching. I super appreciate your continued support. I'm just showing you here how you can continue to make them smaller and it still comes out. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a great day. You're really awesome and I appreciate you.